Hi guys, it's Chantrell. Thanks for joining me at the Financial Spotlight. I wanted to come today to you just to talk about something that they're not talking to us about or telling us the full 100% truth about, and that's this payroll tax holiday. I say holiday loosely because it's not really a gift, it's not a cut, it's a deferral. So when it's a deferral, that means that you are going to have to pay that later. It's just like a student loan. When you get it deferred, you have to pay it back later, right? So anyway, let's look at the facts. We all know that the president signed an executive order that stated that starting September 1st, payroll taxes do not need to be taken out of employees' paychecks every month for the next 4 months. So from September 1st to December 31st, no payroll taxes taken out of your paycheck. Now, just to let you know, you are not required to participate in this unless you work for a government agency, or if you do make over $2,000 per week, then you're going to have the payroll taxes taken out regardless. But if you make $2,000 a week or less, you have the choice. You can either have them take the payroll taxes out as normal, or you can request to defer them. Now, what I will stress to you and warn you is that if you have them deferred, you will have to pay them back. Again, you're gonna have to pay it back, and you're gonna have to start paying it back in January. And they have to be paid back by April 15th. So what that means for you is if you say you make $100 a week, okay, and you decide, you know what, I want to keep my payroll tax and I don't want to pay it. So that's $6.20 a week extra that you're going to be getting on your paycheck. Now, what's going to happen is once January hits, you're going to see a $12.40 cut from your paycheck, because not only do you have to pay the payroll taxes back that you didn't pay from September to December, but you're also going to have to pay your normal payroll taxes from January through April to balance it all out. So Again, really think hard if you want to participate in this program, because if you do realize that you're going to have to pay it back eventually. The other thing that they're not telling us about this is this money, this FICA money, this 6.2% of the FICA money is Social Security. So 6.2% goes to Social Security. The other percentage of FICA goes to Medicare. Now, mind you, if you're not paying into Social Security at this time, this is affecting the people that are receiving Social Security benefits now. And we don't know exactly how they will be affected. There's no information about this being put out there. So if you decide to say, you know what, I don't want to pay those taxes anymore, really think about your grandmother, maybe even your mother, your grandparents, your father, these people that are possibly receiving Social Security benefits, but this deferral or holiday may affect their benefits. So really research and decide for yourself if you do want to go ahead and not pay that payroll tax from September 1st to December 31st. I just want you to also, if you decide to keep that money and not pay it, make sure you use it wisely. They have studied past times when something like this was done, and the people in those times even took their money and saved it. They didn't even spend it like the government was hoping they would. They did not re-stimulate the economy with that money. They actually just saved it. So I would urge you to do the same thing. You get the money, save it. Save it in a high yield interest savings account. Therefore, eventually, when you do have to pay it back, you have made money off of your money, and it won't be that much of a hurt to you. Because I know this is the main time. This is a holiday time, these last 4 months, when there is Thanksgiving, there's Halloween, if you celebrate these things, there's Christmas, and this money could be helpful to you. So it's up to you to make the decision whether you want to keep your payroll taxes or you want to still pay them. But make sure you have that discussion with your family, and also definitely with your employer, so that you can make the best choice for you. I hope this information helped you. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel so that you can get more information like this every single week, and make sure that you hit that notification bell so that you know exactly when I post. And please like this video, share it with your friends and family, get this information out there so that everybody knows just exactly what this payroll tax holiday is all about, and they make the best decision for themselves. Thanks for joining me at the Financial Spotlight. Have a good one.